Welcome to Florida National University. This time we're going to talk about Lockdown. This will be a tool that you guys will use for midterms and finals, and it will make sure that the student is not checking on resources like Google or other browsers or pretty much anything that connects them with the outside world. That means him or her against the course, and that's the way it's supposed to be. For instructors, will be really easy. We have course tools. We just have to go to Respondus Lockdown Browser, click and continue to Lockdown Browser, choose the activity that we want to work with. For example, in this case, taking a test in Blackboard Activity 4. If you go to Assignments, right now it's not active. So the student will see it the normal way. Go to the test, begin, and they can do it right there. But we wanted to have Lockdown. This is optional. We recommend you to copy and paste it. If you guys need it, we can send you a copy so you can put it in your use in your midterms or finals. But here's how it works. We go to Lockdown, and as you remember, it's activity 4 in this case. The only thing that we have to do, settings, require Respondus Lockdown, put a password if you want to. It's not necessary, but it's always an option. Save and close. And now it's required. So when we go to assignments as a student, they now will have to download Lockdown Browser. They just have to click in here and download. They will follow the steps and an introduction video on how it works. Here's what is going to happen. If they try to do it from Google Chrome or Mozilla or Explorer, they will click on begin and it will be blocked. Even if you don't put a password, as I didn't put it any, it will ask for a password and it will tell you the assignment requires to use Respondus Lockdown Browser. So then they will have to do it on the browser. This browser will be a really good tool for you in order to get your students to not do copy on any other browser that can give them the answers. Just remember, we have to compete with Quizlets, Course Hero, and etc. Thank you.